I'm Nikita, and I'm in the product marketing team of Zoho Workplace. I'll be talking about a hybrid workplace for a distributed workforce. So, Zoholics Dubai 2021 is very special to us, not only because it is the first Zoholics that we've hosted since the pandemic, because the pandemic is not over yet, but it's also the first hybrid event that we've ever hosted in the history of Zoho. And the history is quite long. It's 25 years, as you've known from the morning. So much like this very event, a lot of things in our life has had to become virtual or hybrid. I'm guessing that a lot of people here have worked from home. Is there anyone that's been working from home, even now? Yeah, so we do have a couple of people. So this hybrid work culture is here to stay. And the major transformation that we've seen is in our work life. And work has spilled outside the bounds of a normal office. So how do you transition your workforce into this new culture? So yeah, like we said, most businesses have had to go hybrid because they have their locations and offices in multiple places, and not everyone is working from their office. You can do this with collaboration tools, integrations, and advanced security measures. Meet Zoho Workplace. Zoho Workplace is a collaboration suite with 9 applications and more than 15 million trusted users. So Zoho Workplace has always given you the best in business applications for collaboration. But is it hybrid work ready? Why don't we answer this question by looking at the major challenges of a hybrid workplace? Multifaceted communication, organization-wide social intranet, content collaboration, and finally, online meeting and trainings. So first, we have a multifaceted business communication. Communication is the cornerstone for any organization. And when it comes to a hybrid workplace with distributed workforce, it is all the more important. And when it comes to an organization, communication can be multidimensional. We have internal communications between small teams, departments, and organizations. And we also have external communication between customers, partners, and business associates. Both these types of communication together form all the communication that happens in an organization. So how can Workplace help? First, we have Zoho Mail. It is not just an inbox. It is more than just an inbox that you see in other providers. It is a complete email suite with notes, tasks, calendar, and bookmarks. So email is an age-old approach, as we all know, but it is still the most indispensable form of communication in any business world. What we've tried to do is make it collaborative for all of the employees. So say you receive an email from your client, and you need to discuss it with your colleagues before you reply to it. What would you normally do? Anyone? What would you normally do? Forward it. Yes, you would forward it to your colleagues. They will take a look. They will again send you the suggestion through Qlik or any application that you use. But here, all you have to do is simply mention the people that are relevant to your discussion, and the email will be shared to them without any forwards at all. So then you can have a contextual discussions around this very email. So you can make comments, you can like the comments from other people. So you can have a social media style discussion without any forwards on the email that you shared with your colleagues. And once you're done with your discussion, you'll have to draft a reply to that email. So the collaboration does not end with the discussion, it continues into drafting. Much like the email that you shared, you can share the draft that you are preparing, and your colleagues can comment on it side by side next to the email. So you can make the suggestions that you need, and the suggestions will be changed in real time for your colleagues who are viewing the draft, and then finally you can send the email. So we have retained the main functionality of email while making it collaborative for everyone working across multiple locations. Next, we have Zoho Qlik. Zoho Qlik single-handedly simplifies team communications by managing chat, video, and audio conversations. So work is ever-evolving, but in the last few months, it has accelerated the growth. The COVID pandemic has accelerated the evolution. So Zoho Qlik now comes with remote work tools that are exclusively built for such situations. You can start your day by checking in to work, And then you can quickly take a look around to see who's available, who's away, and who's on a group call. So if you're checking in and you need to contact someone, you need to know if they've already come into work. What you would normally do is go check into their cabinet. If they're not there, they're not there. But that's not what you can do in a hybrid workplace, right? So you can see who's available using the remote work tools. And then you go into your emails. Like I said, you always have emails to respond to. So you see an email and you have to start a chat conversation. You can simply click on the chatlet and initiate a conversation with everyone that's part of the email. And if chat is not enough, not everything can be communicated to messages. So you can then have an audio and video calls inside Zoho Click itself to continue the conversation. And it can be one-on-one conversation, or it can also be group calls. So with both these applications, Zoho Mail and Zoho Click, we've managed the multifaceted communication that happens in an organization. This is for the official communication. But what happens to your employees' interaction, the discussions that happen over tea break or you just catch up over lunch? But that is no longer possible in a hybrid workplace. Not everyone is going to come into work, which is why you need an enterprise-wide social intranet. It will enable you to foster a sense of belonging and foster a sense of camaraderie among your employees, which is why we have Zoho Connect. It gives you a single place for your employees to come together where they can have discussions over anything despite being miles away. So you can publish organization-wide posts and announcements on Zoho Connect to keep everyone informed of what's happening in your organization. You can also have focused discussions. Maybe some discussions are not relevant to everyone in the organization. So you can have focused discussion with an exclusive group. It can either be about an event that you're hosting, or it can simply be a book club. And then you can encourage transparency among your employees and different levels of management by holding town halls, which are essentially a virtual Q&A sessions. So not all conversation happen inside an organization. Connect also extends to external people. So if you have a conversation and there are partners, clients, or even contract employees that need to be in the discussion but are not a part of your organization. So you can create external channels in Zoho Connect and bring them into the conversation without exposing your organization data to them. Again, so Zoho Mail, Zoho Click, and Zoho Connect has taken care of all the conversations and the business conversation and also the casual conversations in your organization. What about content collaboration? It is the most biggest challenge that you can face today. So work is both remote and local right now. So you're probably used to being in the same building as your colleagues, but you probably are not even in the same continent. In fact, a lot of my co-speakers for this very event are a couple thousand miles away. So inside content collaboration, we have two challenges. The first one is content creation, and then comes content management. For content creation, Zoho Workplace comes with a comprehensive and collaborative office suite. Zoho Writer takes care of document creation, Zoho Sheet takes care of spreadsheets, and Zoho Show for intuitive presentations. So with all these three applications, one common thread through all these applications is instant review with real-time collaboration. Much like the email, if you have to get a suggestion from your colleague for a document, you would usually just slide over to their desk and ask them for suggestions. But that is not possible in a hybrid workplace, which is why with real-time editing and collaboration, you can have your colleagues simultaneously edit a particular document. You can enable track changes, so if you can take the suggestions or you can leave it. And with Zoho Writer, you can create and edit documents offline. So say you're in a flight or you're just at home and your internet has failed you. You can continue working, and then these documents will sync up to your cloud as soon as your internet is back. To save both paper and time, you can convert documents into fillable forms and ask your employees to submit any sort of form that they want to. And when we come to Zoho Sheet, you know that spreadsheet comes with columns and rows of data. But comprehending this data, it can be quite difficult, which is why our AI assistant Zia, I think Zishan also touched upon Zia earlier, will give you visual representations of all this data, which you can also drag and drop into your sheet if and when needed. And then we have Zoho Show. So all the presentations that you're actually seeing today are created with Zoho Show. They have, yes. So we have an intuitive UI with rich formatting options. And you can choose from multiple templates to enhance the presentation that you're using, or you can also create organization-wide templates that are specific to your company. So you've created all these documents, but it's not very useful if you can't share it with your colleagues. But not everyone is going to need the same level of access to a document. Some people just need to view it, some people need to co-own it, and some people just need to be able to comment on it. So you can have read-only, read-comment, read-write, or co-owner permission based on the role that person is playing on that document. So content creation is taken care of with the Office suite. Now we have content management, which is why we have Zoho WorkDrive. It's an online space for file management. You can create theme folders. So not all documents are going to be personal documents. Some will be relevant to the entire team, which is why you can create team folders, which is a shared space for you to store, organize, and manage your files. You can administer your team better. Much like the documents that we spoke about, you can give roles to the people in your team, depending on what you want them to be able to do inside the team folder. And then we have advanced analytics and reports for you to understand your team better. So if there is a team folder and there are files inside it, you need to know what is happening. So with these analytics, you can view the activity. You can, in real time, view the activity of things happening around these files. And these files, organization files, are always confidential, and they carry tons of data, and they're specific to your organization, which is why WorkDrive comes with industry-grade security protocols to ensure that your data is in safe hands. And this is true for all Zoho applications. Privacy is always first for us. So we've completed 3 challenges with different workplace applications. And finally, we come to the last and probably the most important challenge for today's world: online meetings and trainings. So is there anyone who's not attended an online meeting in the past month? Anyone? You probably even attended one today morning or between sessions. So that's how important online meetings have become in today's world. Zoho Meeting has progressed by leaps and bounds to cover this gap. We want to make it easy as possible for you to take these calls whenever and wherever you want. So in an online meeting, people, your teammates or your colleagues are probably sharing their video, they're having audio conversations, they're sharing their screen, and sometimes even personal data, which is why, again, Zoho Meeting comes with industry-grade security protocols to ensure that you have secure meetings. After this, we also give some controls to the moderator of the meeting to ensure that it is a secure meeting. So if you have a lot of colleagues on the call, you can remove attendees that are no longer privy to the information that is being shared or no longer relevant to the discussion. And you can also log the meeting once everyone that you need is inside, so you can avoid any unauthorized people entering your meetings. And meetings can be recurring, so you probably have weekly team meetings or monthly team meetings. And having to go and schedule a meeting every time, every week or month can be tedious. So you can schedule recurring meetings for all these frequent meetings. So in an organization, a lot goes on. So it's bound to happen that 2 meetings overlap. So what do you do when an employee has to miss a meeting? So what you can do is you can record the entire session and share it to them whenever needed. Finally, so Zoho Meeting is for people that are already in the organization, that you know well. You can just get on a call and discuss everything. But what about people that are joining new? How do you train them? Zoho Showtime allows you to deliver trainings to these employees and sometimes also to external parties like partners and clients. Actually, Zoho Showtime is also one of the apps that are being used right now for Zoholics. So you can create sessions in Zoho Showtime, and you can add co-trainers. And sometimes you can also add guest speakers to help you with different aspects of a training. And then you can run presentations like this one, or you can even share your screen for live sessions. I think some of you would have attended Mustaq's presentation, where he had a live demo. So you can share screen, and the virtual attendees will be able to see that. in any training or presentation, even right now I'm engaging with you, I'm interacting with you, which is very important for a training. You need to know how they're taking it. We have chats, questions, and even online polls that you can run during the session to engage with your audience. Advanced session analytics. So once you're done with the session, you need feedback. You need to know how you did. You can take a look at the advanced session analytics to see how well you did. And finally, Zishan also spoke about this. So these 9 different applications work well, but do they work well together? Yes, they do, as always. We have all of us, I think here, have more tabs on our browser than we know what to do with and how to manage. And adding 9 new tabs for each of these applications in the mix is going to be counterproductive, which is why Zoho Workplace comes with a unified and integrated dashboard. So you can see important information from multiple applications like your inbox, your recent files, your ad mentions on Click, your recent posts on Connect, your calendar views, and your meetings. Not only that, you can also switch between the full view of these applications from a single tab in the dashboard. You can customize this dashboard, so everyone has different needs. You can customize this dashboard for it to work well for you. And say you have a conversation about this particular event. You want to tell them that you had an amazing session in Zoholics. But was it an email conversation? Was it Click? Was it a Connect post? You do not remember. All you have to do is enter the keyword in contextual ZIA search. It will fetch you the information across all 9 different applications from a single place. So now I've told you what the applications could do for you. But why don't we see how they work in a real-life scenario of a construction industry? And let's take the example of a typical construction company or construction project where we have 5 phases: preparation and brief, concept design, pre-construction, construction, and the handover. We'll see how these 9 applications come into play in each of these phases of a construction project. First, we have the preparation and brief section. So in any project, and if you're working with your client, I think we see a lot of green tags, so a lot of partners here. So you know how it works. You need to come up with an idea or proposal or a vision to sell to your client, which is why you can use Zoho Show. Like I'm trying to sell Zoho Workplace to you now, you can sell your vision to your clients using Zoho Show. You can create presentations that are visually stunning, which can impress your clients. And then we have predefined templates, so you can pick from that to make it easier for you to work with and also enhance your presentations. Once you have your idea ready, you need to discuss it with your clients. You need to get their opinions. You need to see how to progress. So you can discuss your vision with your stakeholders with Zoho Meeting. You can add everyone that you need into a meeting. You can share your screen, show them their presentation. You can share documents. You can chat and do everything and then decide how you want to proceed. Second phase is concept design. You have your idea ready, but you need to do the work. So you need to have different operating groups inside your team to get things rolling. In Zoho Connect, you can create internal and external channels for you to work with these people. And finally, the third phase of a construction project is estimate, and probably the most important because your client wants to know how much he has to spend and how much does he need to put aside for this particular project. So you can use Zoho Sheet to enter all this data. You can use the predefined functions for you to make your calculations quickly. And again, ZIA will help you with the visual representation, which you can use even for your client's benefit. And then we have coordinating and managing work. So everything is done. You need to get to the work. So you can use the task module in Zoho Mail to assign tasks to different people in your organization. Like I previously mentioned, Zoho Mail comes with notes, tasks, and bookmarks and calendar. So in tasks, you can assign tasks to your teammates. You can set deadlines. You can comment on the task. You can add files to the task. And you can even check. So everyone in your team will be in the loop as to what is happening with the project. Calendar, similarly, you will have a unified calendar. So if you have multiple people have multiple client meetings or site visits, they can add everything into a shared calendar and everyone will know what's happening. Finally, we have the construction itself. So a construction industry actually has been hybrid long before we all have had to move because some people are working from the office and some people are on site, which is why with Zoho's Clicks remote tools, you can coordinate with these multiple teams in multiple locations. Mobile is essential. Again, they're going to be in different locations. So being mobile is very essential for a construction industry and for anyone at this point. Right now, you probably have a lot of work going on back at office also, so you need to be able to attend it from here. So someone at the site can take a quick picture of something that's happening and they can send it to someone that's working at the office through Zoho Clicks mobile application. The same can be done. So you can quickly take out your Zoho Writer application. You can note down things for your proposal, for you to work on it later. And you can do it even offline. Your construction site is not always going to give you free Wi-Fi. So you can use the offline feature in the app and go forward with your work. And if there is a file that you need from the office, someone sitting at their desktop can upload it to WorkDrive and you can reach it in your mobile WorkDrive application on site. Finally, we come to the last phase of this construction project, the actual handover. All these documents are very specific to your client and they're very confidential, which is why you need to be able to securely share your final documents. Zoho WorkDrive allows you to share this document with passwords, expiration dates, and also be able to allow to download it. You can choose if you want them to download it or not. And these can be external share links, so you can share it with your clients. In a construction industry, so we are done with the 5 phases, but within a construction company, not everyone is going to require all 9 of these applications. Your top level management might, but someone that is at much lower level does not need access to all these 9 applications. But having to pay for all these 9 applications for all your employees is not pocket friendly or even effective. Which is why with Zoho Workplace's mix and match plan, you can choose from Zoho mail only plans and workplace plans for your employees based on their needs. And you will be charged accordingly, obviously. So I've given you all the details of these applications. I've told you how they could work, but how do I know that they do work? Because exactly a year ago, 10,000 Zoho employees went remote in a single day using these very applications. And we are running a hybrid event right now with a lot of people, a couple thousand miles away using these very applications. And if our testimony is not enough, Zoho Workplace is being used by 2 million organizations, 15 million users across 150 plus countries. So you can join the statistics if you wish. So coming back to the question that we actually set out to answer, is Zoho Workplace hybrid ready? With these 9 applications and tools that allow you to work with anyone from anywhere at any time, I would say yes, and I hope you do too. Thank you.